Hi everyone, welcome back. It's another Callie Breeze beauty video. This one's a little bit different. This one I bleached these 3 items of clothing that you're looking at right here. If you want to see how I did it, just continue watching. This first shirt to begin with is a starter shirt that is a size 3X that I cropped in the middle. So it's supposed to be a little bit oversized for me, and I just bunched it all up in the bathtub, and this is what I would pair it for an outfit. Some biker shorts, white socks, and some Adidas shoes. I took all 4 of the items that I'm wearing today and I just bunched them up in my porcelain tub that I have, and the one that I wanted to be the most saturated I put lower, more towards the drain in the tub, and the one I didn't want as saturated I put towards the higher part in the tub, just in case the bleach ran. I would have a more saturated item down towards the bottom. Some materials too, you have to be careful because they will bleach much easier than other materials. So just be aware of what material bleaching and do a test spot if you can on the item that you want to use. Most of these items that I bleached already, I had accidentally bleached while I was at work using bleach items while I was at work, and these are just sort of how they turned out after I bleached them back at home. This next sweatshirt is a size large from Adidas that I got gifted for me from a girl at work. She had had some paint on it and a tiny little bleach spot on the front, and she thought that maybe I could do something with it. So I put it in the group. This is the one that I put farthest down on the tub. Next, I had this shirt from Maurice's that I accidentally ruined while I was at work also. And this one I used a little bit more of a zigzag splashing pattern, and when you scrunch it you really won't be able to notice the type of pattern you're using with your hand. So pretty much you could just do a full dump where you just tip it upside down, or a zigzag pattern, or a circle pattern, or just kind of where you try to just splash it wherever you can. I wasn't really sure how else I could get some different patterns without like getting my shampoo bottles or my body wash bottles involved with getting cool shapes. So I just stuck with the freehand for these items. This fourth item is a dress that I got at my local consignment shop, and I accidentally got bleach on it also while I was at work. And I would recommend, after bleaching the items, letting them sit for a few moments to let the bleach run out of the clothing items before rinsing it with cold water. And you will notice the brown color, which is the bleach and the extra dye coming off of the shirt, just rinsing down the drain. Try to keep rinsing the items as much as you can before putting it in the washer, because if you have the lighter color items, I'm just afraid that the brown color might stain some of the lighter color items. So just making sure you're rinsing them as well as you can with cool water before you put them in the washer and then end up putting them in the dryer. Out of all the items, this was the second easiest to bleach. It took so well and it bleached so easy, almost immediately you could tell a difference between the black and the new bleach color. The first one was the Marisa shirt that turned a little bit purple. I am really excited with how these turned out, and they turned out even better than I thought they would. So thank you guys for watching, and hopefully getting a little bit of advice so maybe you guys can get some inspiration to do this with some of your guys' things that you think that you have ruined. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Love you all. Be kind to one another and take care.